Got a horse galloping around in circles, doing her autumn thing. You have a tasty little spot here. Okay, we're down by this little river in the Great Smokey Mountain National Park by the visitor center. You got these like recreations of old time life over here. Visitor center up there. Big herd of water bugs. Oh yeah, I've never seen a herd of water bugs before. Yeah, I've never seen it. That's interesting. I knew they were called a herd either. What? No. No. No.
Adam, it's so cold right now. If you got wet, you would...
Really pretty though. Okay, we're gonna go up to Mingo Falls or something. All right, we got some excitement. Let's go find this waterfall. Come on, Jackson. There's some big steps for you, dude. They are gone. Can't complain about this too much. Well, we're gonna call this, the Stairmaster hike. How many? Do we remember how many steps it was?
I think you said 160.
Oh, it feels like a lot more than that. I'm just out of shape. Woo, pretty. Yeah, that's pretty. Okay, here we go. All right, the steps are gone. Now we got these boulders and trees to go through. Kind of fun. Got it, Autumn? All right. Woo, a hole in the ground, don't touch.
Could be a fox or something.
Could be something. Okay, we're coming up on it, they said. Wow, pretty. Cool. Very nice. Huh. And they're going back, I guess. Okay, Jackson, you enjoying yourself, bud?
Yeah, we're having a ball.
What do you think of all this, huh? You staying warm? Think so. All right. Autumn! Please don't be walking out on the rocks, please, okay? If you fall in this water, you're gonna be miserably cold. You guys having fun?
Yeah, I did that.
All right, come on over, Autumn. Hey, no, Autumn, stand up. Careful. You're gonna get wet, Autumn. Yeah, you're getting wet. All right. Okay, let's go see the next one. Okay, we're on another waterfall hike. What is this one called? It's a Deep Creek Falls. So this has a little loop with a couple of waterfalls. And we enjoy the pretty trees. Autumn's trying to ditch everybody here, I guess. There might be bears, you guys. I'm just saying. Might be smart not to go way up in front. Trick's on you, I'm the bear. I brought you up here to eat you. Bah! But seriously, there might be bear here. Who knows? Okay, we're coming up on the waterfall. These kiddos are doing good.
Waterfalls.
What do you think of all this, Jackson? You wearing yourself out yet? Don't overdo it, man. Don't, I mean, we don't want you to hurt yourself or get too strained out. Just keep breathing. And you'll make it, I promise. Really talking to this cutie. Okay, here it is. Pretty. Cool. It's like right there for us to enjoy. I saw a rainbow. I think someone has a poopy diaper. Yeah, that's the stinker right there. What?
Home. We could live in the canyon near Grandma's house homeless, and then we'll find the trail that Grandma walks almost every day. We'll see her. We'll see her.
Yeah, we're going to think about that one. I don't know if we're going to do that, but that would be interesting. You would never have another warm shower again. No warm bed at night. You'd have to worry about animals eating you at night. You have to worry about, I don't know, lots of stuff. Mosquitoes, bears. Oh. Doing good there, Autumn. Did I just miss a fall? Almost.
It's definitely incredible for me.
It's definitely incredible for you, yes.
Oh, slippery.
Definitely incredible for her, yeah.
Because whenever outside in the wild, and Grandma would bring us food every once in a while.
You're starting to sound like a Furby, kid.
No, Dad.
You think you're a furry. They think they're an animal. For whatever reason.
No, Dad.
All right.
You and your dad would go and hunt.
Yeah, maybe, but he'd probably be like, go buy a house. All right, let's keep going. Okay, Jackson, what just happened, dude? You what? You fell on your bum? Okay.
You just kept going, huh?
Good job. A little wide-eyed face there
Come
for
on,
a
buddy.
second, dude. Okay, we made it. Oh, very pretty. Very pleasant. What do you think of that, Bree? Yeah, that's like a 3-tiered little waterfall. Pretty. Okay, we're gonna save a baby caterpillar.
I don't think it's baby, really. Oh, it's steamy. Can you look it up on Google?
Cool.
It was in
Yeah.
the water. Yeah, I know.
There he is. We have these little dancers around here. Grooving to this music. Got a horse galloping around in circles, doing her autumn thing. You have a tasty little spot here. What is this? Whatever this is called. Tasty lunch.